Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday, September 8th. We've had some great weather come in. I got up this morning about 6:30, and it was 57 degrees. It's only, I think it's 64 now, and that says 75, but that's not right. My watch says 64, so my phone says 64. So it's beautiful. It's only supposed to get to maybe 80 today. So I'm taking a long ride. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just try to find some new places to go. What a great day though. Yeah, I'll turn it back on later if I see anything interesting. Bye. Come on, stop. Well, I should be coming into Tyler, Texas. Here's Interstate 20. I saw a Goldwing Trike back there. Looks like an older one, like mine. Yeah. Not quite in Tyler yet. What a gorgeous day, though. Bah. Well, here we are in Tyler, Texas. I remember coming here years ago when my oldest son was just still playing Pop Warner football. And we came up here to play some kind of a football tournament or a couple football games, and it was cold and rainy, and my son was freezing. Standing on the sideline, shivering. Good old days. That's when we lived in just the Austin area, and we came all the way up here. I had to come south to get here a couple hours. I know there's a lot of Spyder people here. People have Spyders. Well, these people zigzagging out of traffic. I have no idea where those fields were that we played. There, 3 lanes. I haven't been here in years. Oh, looks like a downtown that way. 69 will take me all the way back to Greenville, which is, I live in that area. Well, not Greenville, but the shoot over. Daniel Stark, I've seen those commercials before. Whoa, where's this going? I don't know where I'm going. 271. I think I might have to turn around. A lot of people's on the sidelines, side of the road selling stuff. We got one of those superfoods in Greenville. I know Tyler's supposed to be like the rose capital, like the Tyler Roses. They got a rose farm here. The big roses that they, red roses, whatever colors. I don't know where it is. Yeah, I think I'll turn around. I don't know where I'm at. Go back to 69, head back home. I'm a couple hours away from home. I gotta rest my butt though. Crazy taco, crazy good tacos. I've got kind of cool stuff there. I think downtown's the other way anyway. Yeah, we'll go this way. I think downtown's this way. And I've seen gas for $2.53, which is really good. $69. And let me go downtown. I haven't been down there. It's a Sunday, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'll turn it back on a little bit. Yeah, this looks like kind of downtown Tyler. Never been here before. I mean, never been downtown that I know of. Oh, the roads are closed. Do not enter. Well, looks like I gotta go the other way. Oh, cool. I remember these brick roads, was they put all these brick roads in all these towns in the Depression days to keep people working. The town I grew up in had a lot of these brick roads. It gave people work. Oop. Yeah, it gave people work during the Depression. Hopefully those days aren't coming back. Oh, this is cool. I haven't been. There's nobody downtown. Looks like it's all under construction. Pretty cool though. Not real big. I never drive downtown Austin when I live there. Not on this thing anyway. Or the Gold Wing. Huh. Pretty nice little town. I ordered new insides for my helmet. I got the cheek pads, but the liner up top was the wrong. God, it was made in Vietnam, and it wasn't even the right kind. So I ordered the right kind from HJC. Here we go. What's this? Historic Cotton Belt Depot. Top of my head hurts with this thing. I got a pad up there. The cheek pads I ordered were a lot smaller, so they squeeze my cheeks versus the other ones, so that actually helps keep my insides of my helmet so worn out, the top of my head's hitting the shell, and it hurts. And I got a pad up there. Helmets wear out. I'm going to get a new helmet. Eventually, I'm going to get one of those. Oh gosh, the ones that the thing goes all the way back. I think it's a Nolan. And bye.